Give me the word. Saya, are you ready? Okay. Come on, let's go. Where's the word cup? Cup. K, k, up, k, up. Give it to mommy. Good job. How about the word d? D. Give it to mommy. D. Sud. Sud. Come on, give it to mommy. Good job. Next. Where's the word g? G. Mug. 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 Give it to mommy. Mug. Mug. Okay, good job. Give it to mommy. Next, the word Come on, focus. Focus na. Bun. 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 Where's the word bun? Bun. Where's it? Nak, where's it? Where's the word bun? Come on. Give it to mommy. Where's it? Give it to mommy. Come on. Get it. Get. Bun. Give it to mommy. Bun. Come on. Give it to mommy. Good job. And the word nut.
Mimi.
Wala ka sa focus, ha? Wala ka sa focus, ha? Mimi, ha? Sige, you na. You. Your turn.